Hi, I'm Mark Steber, Chief Tax Information Officer here at Jackson Hewitt Tax Service. There are a variety of tax breaks for taxpayers who purchase and own a home, especially those who itemize their deductions. But more on that in a moment. What tax deductions are available for those who buy and own a home? Well, interest expense on the loan to start with, property taxes, points on the financing, PMI, otherwise known as private mortgage insurance, and even credits available from energy-saving improvements. Plus, once you get over a threshold for deductions, you might even get to include other deductions on your taxes, like a portion of your property taxes. Yes, that's right, a tax deduction for taxes. Should you itemize your taxes now that you've bought a home? Well, once a taxpayer or joint taxpayers buy a home, it is not uncommon for the interest, property taxes, and other home-related deductions to exceed the allowed standard deduction to which they're entitled. This means, without getting too complicated, you may be a taxpayer that can benefit from more deductions when you itemize than taking the standard deduction. And that can be really good. Basically, itemizing means you can now add up and deduct your other stuff. Other deductions like charitable donations, state income taxes, paid sales taxes, personal property taxes, and medical deductions over a certain threshold. But only if you itemize and don't take the standard deduction. All of these deductions can really add up fast. And best of all, you get to pick the bigger of the two deductions. The standard deduction that everyone gets, or your unique itemized deduction. How great is that? Are there any other benefits to owning a home? Well, aside from the tax benefits of owning a home and doing what you want to the home, the possible equity you build, and the overall value increase on something you own. There is also the possibility to deduct a home office if you're self-employed. Also, you may be able to deduct property taxes paid on the home. And if you made home improvements for medical reasons, like constructing entrance ramps, widening doorways, or installing railings or bars, they too may be tax deductible. And finally, are there any other tax tips? Well, pay attention to what you get in the mail. It's not all junk. Be on the lookout for mortgage interest statements, the Form 1098, and information on property taxes in February and March. Basically, save everything related to payments made on or toward your house and use them when filing your taxes, and turn those over to your tax pro. As stressful as it can be to buy a home, it's an exciting time and there are a lot of tax benefits. So make sure you talk to an experienced tax professional to learn all about all of the opportunities and schedule an appointment at jacksonhewitt.com.